welcome back to another video. Have you ever wondered uh, your code to be smarter, to make decision based on the different situations, just like we do in real life? Today we are diving into the one of the most fundamental concept of programming in language Python, conditions. These are the tools that let you code questions and base the answer. uh, let's get started. So, hello everyone, I'm Saransh, and today we will cover the topic on Python name conditions. So, core of all the conditions, if statement, simple decision maker. So, you open your VS Code first. Yeah, cough. So, today we will make conditions. First, what is conditions? See, the conditions are the statements and also called the true false statement. For example, if the signal light is green, so the it means go. If it is red, it means stop, and it is when it is yellow, it means start your vehicle. So today let's make that programming. Let's make that idea in the program. So open the file code signal.py. Enter. So let's make a input. And print what's the color of the signal. Now see, let's make the basic one if. In the conditions, there are the three types of conditions. First, we will talk about if, and that is uses for using a decision or something like true or false. So, if we write if a equal bracket green, if a equal green. First, we are writing the code. First, we will understand if. What is if is used for in a real life statement. Sorry for disturbing, but this is important. So, like if there's a coffee pouch, make a coffee. मतलब in हिंदी में take, अगर coffee pouch है तो coffee बना दो. Else make a tea. Means फिर अगर कॉफी पाउच नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है कॉफी बनाने का, तब टी बना दो. So in the same way we are writing the code. So if a equal green means a का input अगर green आया print go, else print stop. So there's a problem. So let's see. If you are doing the A equal, you always have to put double equal. So let's run it. Python signal.py. What's the color of the signal? If I try green, it say go, and same it asks. But I write yellow. It said stop. Why? Why it is saying stop? Pause the video and tell in the comment section. Or in 3, 2, 1. If your answer is right, tell me in the comments. So it's saying stop because we didn't add the conditions. But you will say, how can we add the conditions? So first we will try the stop. Red. So red. Red means stop. So red means stop. It is red. But yellow means wait. We studied that the yellow means wait. So there's a third type of conditions. If else. If elif else. If elif else. If elif. If you say if else or if elif, they both are same, but if else uses in C and elif uses in Python. So, if we do, so let's first that we have read if there's a coffee pouch, so make coffee, else make a tea. Now, if there's a coffee pouch, make coffee, else, elif, if else, elif, if there's a green tea pouch, make green tea, else make a tea. Means in Hindi, if there's a coffee pouch, make a coffee. मतलब कॉफी बनाने का कोई भी मटेरियल है तो कॉफी बनाइए. Else, sorry, if else मतलब अगर if else there's a green tea pouch, make green tea. अगर if else pouch है तो green tea बना दीजिए. मतलब कि green tea का pouch है, sorry, ये तो green tea बना दीजिए, else make a tea. अगर इन दोनों में से कुछ भी नहीं है तब टी बना दीजिए. ठीक है? Let's do this. Now let's add a program. Elif A equal yellow print wait. So now let's do it. So let's run it again. Signal of pad. Go. What is the color of signal? Green. Go. Right. What is the color of signal? Yellow. Yellow. Wait. Right. And what is the color? Right. If we write another color like blue, blue doesn't put stop. Blue isn't a signal. So why it's saying stop? Because we have make a condition of two. If green and yellow, if green go yellow, oh wait, if not both them, anything else. We didn't specify this statement. If anything else, so stop. Anything, color, any letter, any number, anything we write, it will show us stop. So to stop this problem, if a equal red, print stop. Yes, we can add 2 LF, 3 LF, 4 LF, 5 LF. The number of LF we want to add, we can add it in the condition. There's no problem, no error. Print invalid signal. Now this code is right. Now this code is right. It says if A equal green, if input equal green, go. If input equal yellow, wait. If input equal red, stop. If something else, yellow, green, yellow, red, out of this, if something we have written a wrong letter or a wrong number or a wrong color, so it will say invalid signal. So let's try it. First, let's try it green. Go. Yellow. Wait. Red. Stop. And the twist begins. Now we will write blue again. Blue. Invalid signal. The process completed. So that's all for today. Let's meet you in the another video, and I have a rule about which topic of the next video we will do. And after 2 days, I will upload the video on that topic, and after 2 days, it's my choice of what topic I will upload, and I will give you a post also. So thank you, bye bye, and have a good day, and keep coding, keep learning.